I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you're new. We are filming a room tour. I'm very excited and I'm gonna make this video pretty in detailed. I'm gonna like tell you guys exactly, or as much as I can remember, where everything is from, and I will try to link everything I can in the description box. That's probably what's gonna take the longest of this video. It's literally just finding all the links, but I will try my best for you guys. That's enough rambling, let's just get into the video. Okay, so this is my hallway leading up to my room. We have my piano and then we have a broom. I'm not sure why that's there, but anyways, here's my door. This is just a quick overview of what my room looks like. I really love it. It's very like cute, but also minimalistic. I'm gonna start on the left side of my doors. I have this huge blank wall. I probably will end up doing something with it, but for right now, I just kind of like it very white. It makes my room look really big and bright and fresh, and I just love it. And then in this corner of my room, I have this POUF, which honestly is really uncomfortable to sit on, but it's just there for decor. And then we have this plant. Both of these are from a store called At Home. And then we have this mirror that is from Hobby Lobby, and we actually put this mirror up like literally 30 minutes ago because I saw it in my closet and I like forgot I had it and realized how much I still loved it. So I decided to put it in this corner, and I think it's so cool because when I'm taking like mirror selfies, you can see like my cute decor in the background, which I love. So I'm really happy I put it here. Then over here we have my bathroom. First, by the door, the first thing you see is this Glossier sticker, which I know makes no sense. Basically, my friend just put it there after we were like unboxing a package from Glossier in like December, and I just never took it off. So it's still there. And then we have this gray hand towel to kind of match like the gray tones of my bathroom. And then we have this mirror, which I'm obsessed with. I love the lighting. I take so many mirror selfies, it's embarrassing. But you know what? I love it, so I don't care. Fun fact, because I don't have like a full-length mirror in my room, I literally, whenever I want to see my outfit, I stand on my bathtub, this is dangerous, and try to see my outfit in the mirror. It's kind of funny. I really want to get a full-length mirror soon, but those are really expensive, so I need to save up for that. Next to that, we have this soap, which is actually out of soap, so I need to get a new one, but it's from Bath & Body Works. Next to my sink, I just have the skincare that I use every single day, which is Bubble. I'm obsessed with them. Next to that, we have this cutest jewelry dish, which is from Princess Polly. And then next to that, this is all of the makeup that I use pretty much daily or whenever I'm in the mood to wear makeup. And almost all of my makeup is from Glossier. I love them so much. Next to that, we have my toilet. Oh my goodness, love that. We have this. I like never use it. It's been in my room since the fall time. I used it more then. It's like an air freshener. Then we have my toilet. Then we have my trash can, which is from Bed Bath & Beyond. And then this cute flower painting is from At Home as well. This is just my window, my shower, and my shower curtain is from Bed Bath & Beyond. Oh, I also want to show you guys all of the drawers in my bathroom because I specifically organized them for this video. Please don't think that they're always this organized, but they are right now, so I kind of want to show them off. First off, we have this drawer. This stuff I use every single day. And then this is my jewelry. And these are just face masks. I obviously don't use it every day, but that's just a place to store them. And then the second drawer, this has stuff that I don't use daily, but I use weekly, if that makes sense. So I have my nail polish, makeup wipes, perfume, lotion. I have all of this organized, which it'll never look like this again, I swear, but it looks so pretty right now. I'm 90% sure this container's from Target, but I'm not sure. And then this is from Walmart, this is from Walmart. And then these containers, they're kind of like the nicer containers. They're from Bed Bath & Beyond. In the last drawer, I have all of my like hairstyling tools. And then in here, we have all of my cleaning supplies. I'm not gonna show that, but you get the idea. Okay, and next to the bathroom is this part, which is genuinely my favorite part of my room, and I'm sure your guys' is too. It just makes me so happy because I finally feel like I have a room that is 100% like my aesthetic, and it just makes me so happy to wake up in this room. Okay, so going from left to right, so both of these pictures were sent to me as like a freebie in a Brandy Melville purchase. They're not really free if you think about it, because you had to buy like $50 worth of clothes to get them. but I think they're really cute. So they're up on my wall. And then next to that, I love this picture so much. It says, emotions make us human. And then in the bottom, it says, embrace every emotion. So this is one of the prints that was sent to me in the mail. Most of them I had to print out myself, but this one came in the mail from @LexTDesign. I found her on Etsy, but I'll link her shop down below. And then below that, we have this cute mini record, which I thought is so cute. I got it off of Etsy for, I think, like $2 or less than $1. It's Jimmy Dean's Stand Beside Me. I've never heard that song. I should probably listen to it before I put it on my wall, but it's there all the same. And then we have this light, which I'm obsessed with. It just has the time and it looks really cool, especially at night. I got this off of Amazon. It's also an alarm clock and it also has a remote, so I can change the brightness to it. Then below that, here is my favorite wall art I've ever owned. It's my favorite thing in my room. First off, this is like one of my favorite colors. It's like reddish orangish. It says, ways to say I love you. If you've been watching my channel for a long time, then you know like how important that message is to me, to just like tell people that you love them and remind them in little ways that you care about them. I literally have a sweatshirt that says tell them you love them, insert pictures. Oh, you can see me in the back. That's lovely. Anyways, so this poster just kind of goes along with that message. It says ways to say I love you and has 75 ways. Things like, have you eaten today? I've been thinking about you. Did you sleep well? Drive safe. And it just makes me literally so happy whenever I look at this because it's just so wholesome. I got this print from Etsy. I had to purchase it, which like money well spent, and then I had to print it out. And then over here we have this picture frame, which I believe I got from Hobby Lobby. I'm not 100% sure though, which I feel like this photo is kind of controversial because some people come to my room and they're like, oh my goodness, that's so cute. And some people are like, why do you have a picture of yourself on your wall? Like, that's weird. But let me defend myself. First off, if you didn't know me, you would have no way of knowing that that photo is me, okay? Because it's literally the back. The reason why I chose that photo is because one, I think it's super aesthetic, and two, it just reminds me of summer 2021 where I had like an absolute blast. I love summer, I miss summer. I just have that picture to like remind me of those times. So yeah. Next to that, we have these 3 prints that kind of come as a set. Soul, Body, Mind. I did purchase these prints because I wanted the artists to get the money they deserve, and I got this off of Etsy. I'll try to link it if I can find it again. Okay, next to that, we have my mirror. It's kind of awkward to see me in the mirror, but let's just ignore that. This is from Etsy. Below that, we have my bed, which I kind of messed up because I was standing on it. Let me just straighten that out. This is another favorite part of my room. I just love the bedspread and the throw pillow together. It looks less green on camera, but in real life, it's a little more green and less gray. I don't know why it's showing up on camera as gray. In case you haven't noticed, my bed is extremely close to the ground. It's only like 1.5 feet off the ground. We accidentally like didn't look at the measurements before we bought them, so this definitely was not like purposeful, but hear me out. I would never go back. Like, I love how low to the ground my bed is. It just feels so cozy and it makes my room feel so much bigger. And the cutest throw pillow ever, that is also from Etsy. Next to that, we have my guitar. I literally love my guitar so much. It's really bad quality, so I just love guitars in general, not necessarily my guitar. Then next to that, we have this Himalayan pink salt lamp. I think you can find this pretty much anywhere. This was off of Amazon. And then next to that, we have the book that I'm currently reading, Atomic Habits by James Clear. And then we have these flowers, which they're kind of starting to die. It literally makes me want to cry. Please stay alive. I got these flowers like 5 days ago though, so they're kind of staying alive pretty good for it being 5 days. And these flowers are extra special to me because my boyfriend gave them to me on opening night of my drama production. So he gave me a bouquet of flowers and it was really sweet. So I have these in my room in a vase. And then the nightstand itself is from At Home. I think it's cute. It has kind of like a pinkish tint to it, like it's not fully white, which I like. On the bottom of the nightstand, I have this container, which is from At Home as well. And I just keep my prayer journal and my Bible in here. In this corner of my room, I have these balloons. They're from Valentine's Day. And then we have my window and my trash can, which my trash can is from Walmart, but that was literally like 3 years ago, so it's definitely not gonna be there anymore. And then we have this side of my room, which I call this corner like my sentimental corner, and it's another one of my favorite parts of my room. I'll just start on the bottom and work my way up. Here we just have like a bookshelf. And then I also also have like all of this spare change. Whenever I come home from like going out to eat and I have like change from using cash, I'll just put it in there. And then up here we have this cute little like plant teddy bear thing. This is from Valentine's Day and it used to have roses in it. The roses are dead now and this is kind of starting to die and it makes me really sad. I need to add new flowers in that, but until then we just have like this cute little teddy bear. Then we have the iconic LaCroix wall. That thing is my pride and joy. It's like my favorite thing in the entire world. It is not leaving because it gives me joy. Honestly, it's not really that iconic, but it is to me. I had this in my old room and I literally packed all of these LaCroix cans in moving boxes so I could transfer it to this room. Like that's how much the LaCroix wall meant to me. I love it so much. Corner of my room is definitely my favorite part of my room, or one of my favorites. I've realized I've said that about like 5 things already and it just gives me a huge boost of serotonin every time I look at it. So I love it so much. Next to that, we have my tripod and my ring light also goes here, but I'm using my ring light to film right now. So it's just my tripod hanging out here. I just have this mason jar filled with like pens and highlighters and stuff. And then of course, next to that, we have my computer. It's a desktop Mac, and then my keyboard and my mouse are also from Apple. I'm not sure where this is from because it was a gift. The whole thing can be used like as a mouse pad, so I can use my mouse all around here. It's just really nice. These blue light glasses I wear while editing and stuff, and that is from Amazon. And then we have my water bottle. This just kind of floats around my room, but it's a Hydro Flask. And then on the floor, I just have like these sheets of glass. I got them from my brother's old room and they just make the desk chair sliding a lot easier. Above my computer, I have this clock, which is from At Home. So under the clock, we have these 3 roses. I used to have like 10 roses just like hanging up all around here, but then someone told me that it looked like a serial killer's room, so yeah, I took those down. These 2 roses are from Banquet, and then this rose is from Valentine's Day, and I love them. Next to that is the last space in my room, which is my walk-in closet. So these doors actually slide. If my closet was really messy, I could close it and my room would look like that. But I almost always have it open. I just like seeing like the pop of color in my closet, and I'm just too lazy to open and close it. We have like cubbies on this side of my wall. We have my hoodies, and then here are my crew necks, like some free t-shirts, and then like pajama shorts, running shorts, and then like sweatpants and pajama pants. Down in this cubby, we have my volleyball knee pads, my volleyball spandex. In this bin, which is from Bed Bath & Beyond, I hold all of my tank tops and like smaller shirts, and then these are my long sleeve shirts. Then I have these containers, which are from Bed Bath & Beyond, and they're so nice because they're not see-through. This has all my craft supplies. This has a bunch of Sentimental stuff, and then this spot is really messy because it just has a bunch of cords and like technical things. And then moving over to this side of my room, we have all of my dresses, and then I keep my dirty laundry hamper here as well. These also have like rods that you can use to hang stuff, but I hang all of my tote bags on it, hold all of my small purses in this big Lululemon bag. And then this bin right here is from when I used to like redecorate my room all the time for like different seasons. I don't really do that anymore, but I still keep all of the decorations like pumpkins and stuff. These are my pants, like my jeans. These have all of my belts, and then these are my leggings, and then here's like my uniforms section of my room. So I have all of the pants I can wear for uniforms, my uniform skirts. I also have like my uniform drawer with all of my shirts and stuff. And then these are like coats that I want to hang up, but that aren't necessarily like cute, if that makes sense. Like they're not aesthetically pleasing to look at. This, on the other hand, is the aesthetic part of my hanging closet versus these are more functional, if that makes sense. Oh, I completely skipped over this part, but this has all of my skirts in it. And then these are like dressier pants if I want to wear them to like church or something. But anyways, yes, that is my closet. I love it so much. Okay, now we have gone all the way around my room, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I am very hungry. I haven't eaten lunch yet, and it's literally 4 o'clock. Don't worry, I ate a late breakfast, but still, I'm very hungry, so I'm gonna go eat lunch right now. If I forget to link anything specific that you were wanting to know where it's from, make sure to DM me or comment down below. My Instagram is at kasikaycorp. I'm pretty active on there, so you should definitely check it out. I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.